There is more joy in pursuing less than can ever be found in pursuing more. In many ways, this is a message that we already know to be true. It's just that since the day we were born, we have been told something different. We have been told that possessions equal joy, that the next purchase we make will make life easier, happier, more luxurious, more meaningful. And I think because we've heard that message so many times from so many angles, we begin to subtly believe it. As a result, we begin to spend our lives working long hours to make good money just so that we can buy more stuff. But when we again hear the simple message that there is more joy in pursuing less than can be found in pursuing more, it rings true in our hearts because deep down, we know it to be true. We know that possessions don't equal joy, and we know that our life is too valuable to waste chasing them. It just helps to be reminded from time to time. So today, remember that our lives are short, and we only get one shot at it, and the time goes by quick. Once we use it up, we can't get it back, so let's make the most of our time. Possessions steal our time and our energy. They require unending maintenance to be cleaned and fixed and replaced, repaired, removed. They steal our precious attention, time, and energy, and we don't even notice it until it's too late. Remember that our lives are unique, that our look, our personality, our talents, and the people who have influenced us have made us special. Our life is exactly like nobody else. And just because everyone else is chasing material possessions doesn't mean we have to too. Remember that our lives are significant, that far more than success, our hearts desire significance, to know that our lives mattered. This is because significance lasts longer. But possessions are temporal. They perish, spoil, and fade, and most of them these days by design. Meanwhile, our lives were designed to inspire. So let's make footprints worth following. Nobody ever changed the world by following what everyone else was doing. Instead, people who change the world live differently, and they inspire others to do the same. Possessions may briefly impress people, but they never inspire. Remember that our lives are important. It is our heart and our soul that make us valuable. And so don't sacrifice your important role in this world by settling for possessions that can be purchased with a card of plastic. Our lives deserve better. Joy, happiness, and fulfillment are found in the invisible things of life, love and hope and peace and relationships. They're not on sale at your local department store, so let's stop looking for them there. People who live their lives in pursuit of possessions are never content. They always desire newer, faster, or bigger because possessions never satisfy our deepest desires. Be reminded today that your life is far too valuable to waste chasing material possessions. And let's find more joy today by choosing to pursue better pursuits rather than more things.